How's my hair?
I don't know. It's really bright. I can't see anything. Hey, how's it going, guys? Garrett and Tyler from liveineverett.com here.
We're at Soul Food on Hewitt in downtown Everett. This is like a Pan-Latin restaurant. Awesome mojitos, awesome menu. I used to actually work here in my early 20s for a couple years and ate here constantly. We're gonna check out the patio today, which is totally remarkable, especially on a beautiful day like today. It's gonna blow your mind.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
These are plantain chips. Plantain's kind of like a banana, right? They're deep fried. And this sauce here that they make here is, they call it soul sauce, but it's like cilantro and basil and lime juice and olive oil, and kind of almost whipped like an aioli. This combination here with one of their delicious mojitos, one of the best things in the world.
I really do love their Cubano. It's really, really delicious.
So this is like their Baja chicken salad in a wrap. How much like chicken is in there?
We just got done stuffing ourselves in soul food. Tyler, what'd you think?
First of all, how about that patio? You know?
Feels like you're in a different country or something. I actually got married on that patio. We had our wedding there.
I really do think it's remarkable food. I love the Cuban sandwich. Their mojito, you know, it's just great. Great, great, great.
Everything was so good and fresh. You know, they make everything from hand there. Even the chocolate chip mint ice cream, handmade.
And bomb,
really, really good. Thanks so much to Soul Food for having us. We'll see you guys next week.